Okay, we say that this is the old rotten or broken post. What you need to do is get an old saw and saw as close to the concrete as you possibly can and remove the post. Now if this is rotten all around the outside, you need to drill it all out at least 6 inches down. Fill it with concrete and then put your limpet post in. Level it all up, make sure you line it through and put a prop up to hold it and leave it and let it go off. If this piece is still okay around the outside, then what you need to do is to drill a 32mm hole 6 inches down. To get the centre, all you need to do is to make a line from corner to corner. And then drill 32mm hole right the way down through, 6 inches deep. Then you need to creosote it so it doesn't rot away. Now the bolt has got to be cut at 5.5 inches, leaving the nut on the bottom. The nut is welded anyway, so that won't come off. Now once you've cut your nut and threaded it in through your post anchor, you need to fill the hole with either neat cement or epoxy glue, making sure you got plenty in there. Now the next thing to do is to place in your limpet anchor. Now make sure it's lineable to the other 2 posts on the other side and it's level. You need to put a couple of props up just to make sure it's level and it holds it, and then just leave it to go off solid. Once it's gone off, with this one you can actually unscrew it if it ever rots away again and replace it. Simple as that.